Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use object eraser tool in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the gallery app. Now from here, open a photo in which you want to make changes. Now after opening the photo, click on this edit icon and then click on this more tools icon. Now here tap on object eraser and here just simply select the object you want to erase, and after selecting the object click on erase, and after a few seconds it will automatically erase that object from your picture. And after you are finished erasing the objects, tap on done to save changes and then again click on save, and here click on save again to confirm. And now you can see that object is removed from the picture. So that's how you can use object eraser tool in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.